Badshah, one of the most famous music personalities in Bollywood, was grilled by the Mumbai police in connection with fake followers racket. In fact, allegedly Badshah had paid up a whopping 72 lakh rupees to various agencies in exchange for fake views. It's not just Badshah, but several other Bollywood celebrities, sporting personalities, top high-profile builders have also found themselves in hot waters following this fake followers scam. Now, fake Instagram, fake Facebook accounts are basically those created through fictitious email IDs, which are then given to real Instagram and Facebook account holders who use these fake accounts to eventually exaggerate their social media presence, their popularity, and their reach. Now, it's not just about fake followers. It can also be about fake likes, fake comments, and fake views. Now, these fake accounts are basically called bots, which can be bought by individuals or even companies for that matter to follow other accounts, to leave comments on other accounts, to like, to share, and to do whatever that they want these bots to do. More importantly, to chase their social media presence, their reach, their following, and sometimes it could be also to spy on someone. Now, these fake accounts are increasingly getting better as acting like real accounts. They even anonymously follow other accounts based on the users' hashtags. Now, at the risk of not motivating you to go buy these bots, we're going to tell you a little detail here. For about 500 odd followers on Instagram, you can pay about 250 rupees. For about 1,000 followers on Twitter, it goes up to about 1,500 rupees. It's not that much, but it's fake. And according to reports and research, the top 3 markets for fake accounts is United States with 49 million, Brazil with 27 million, and India with 16 million. Now, there are 3 good reasons why you wouldn't want to go for fake following and like to organically increase your following. Number 1 being fake followers don't engage. Social media accounts majorly run on engagements, but fake followers are just bots and they won't really like or comment on your posts. Number 2, fake followers are fake. If you are an influencer, then you can't influence a fake following and it just more or less ends up making you look fake. Number 3, Instagram or other social media accounts might just suspend your account. Now, there are stringent algorithms and policies for accounts with fake followers. It will downgrade your account and posts, and in worst case scenario, it might just even suspend your account completely. And fake accounts are regularly purged by these platforms, which means your followers could disappear at any time. Now, you must be thinking, why do people really need fake following? Well, it's all about the perception. There are many people on social media platforms who are on a popularity contest. And there are so many of them who are just new to social media platforms. They want a good head start and therefore they want to buy followers just to look good. It's all about the perception. They want to look like they are out there in it, as popular as you are. And then there are some of them who want to earn out of their social media platforms. We know what influencer marketing is all about, where brands are looking to advertise on your platform for better audience, for better promotions, great visibility, and therefore brands are willing to pay influencers with great following so that they can advertise with you and get what they want. Now, there are many third-party websites which claim to bust these social media accounts with fake following. You can also try running the account through the social media statistics website, which can inform you of any sudden jumps in the follower count. And if a user's followers count skyrockets for no real reason, no legit reason there, then it's likely that they've paid to inflate their numbers, their following, and they could get caught any moment. All in all, these bots or fake following is really a bad idea to invest in because you could just be in the spotlight for all the wrong reasons. The best way to go about it is organically grow your social media profile, put as many annoying hashtags as you like, but at least you have genuine and real following and you become the real influencer.